Hello, I'm going to go over this worksheet, Geologic Timescale Percentage Practice. And what we're looking at is the whole history of Earth in this chart. Starts back 4.5 billion years ago down here at the bottom. And then it goes all the way up to present time. And we see some things like the dinosaurs, the age of dinosaurs, age of mammals more recently, early complex life. But what we're going to do is find some percentages to really start getting an idea of how big some of these time periods were. Like we have all this space down here at the bottom that's scrunched down, but this is most of Earth's history down here. Although nothing big happened, or not a lot of big things happened for history of life, we scrunch it down here so we can see all these other important things that have happened more recently. So this is all percentage. I've got a formula down here that shows you how to find percentage. And I'm going to do a couple of these with you. So let's take a look at the first. What percentage is the Cambrian, early multicellular life, of the Paleozoic? So we want to know what is the part and what is the whole. So what percentage is the Cambrian? So this is the part. And the whole is the Paleozoic era. Now, I have to look on my chart for this because I have to figure out how long each of these time periods was. So the Cambrian, we'll look at that first. Cambrian started at 550 million years ago. So 550. Now it ends, and you have to take a look at this, it ends past that 500 million year mark. It's actually a little bit higher than that. So I'm going to estimate that that's 490. So to get that time period, I'm going to subtract one from the other. That means that was 60 million years. That's how long the Cambrian period was. Now we want to look at the Paleozoic era. Here's my eras. Paleozoic is this long stretch right here. Started at 550 and it goes all the way to 250. If I do the math on that, that means that whole time period was 300 million. So now I can enter this into my formula over here. The part is 60. The whole is 300. And I'm going to multiply that by 100. Because otherwise it just gives me the fraction. So 60 divided by 300. That's my fraction, which I could use in a mathematical equation. I'm going to times that by 100, and that will give me 20%. Let's do another one. Let's do number 3 together. What percentage is the combined Mississippian, Pennsylvanian periods? This is the early insects. So I'm going to actually see how long this time period was from here to here. So combined. So that is 350 till, I'd say about 305. Which is equal to 45 million years. 45 million years. Now, it's asking for the Paleozoic era again, and I already know how long the Paleozoic era was. It was 300 million years. So again, that is my whole. The 45 is my part. And I'm going to put that into my formula. 45 over 300. Multiplied by 100 equals, let's do that, 45 divided by 300 equals, times 100 equals 15%. All right? And then I'm going to skip down to number 7. I'm going to do number 7 with you, even though this is the same thing. What percentage is the Archaean Eon? So it's important first to find eons. The eons are here. and the Archaean is down here. So they're asking for this time period there of the entire length of Earth history. So in this case, this is my part, and this is my whole. Now I've actually already given you how many millions of years Earth has been around. So we've already found the part, or I mean the whole. Let's find the part together. So the Archaean Eon. Archaean started 4,000 million years ago, and it went to 25,000, no, 2,500 million years ago. That means that time period was 1,500 million years long. So again, that was my part. Well, my whole, I already gave that to you here. The Earth's history was 4,540 million years old. So I'm going to take 1,500 divided by 4,540, multiply that by 100. Oops, no, divide. 4540 equals times 100, 33%. Okay, so I did 3 of these. You should be able to do the rest from there using the time scale and the formula. All right, hope this helps.